What's your differentiator? How do you make it?
We make it happen kasi yung machine po namin is customized. Kami po, we do analyze. Kumbaga, kaya nagtanong ako sa inyo kanina na meron po ba kayong water analysis na pinagawa? I'm sure meron kasi nag-ooperate na kayo eh. So magbe-base kami doon sa mga physical and chemical analysis na yon. For us to able to do that, we have a specific membrane for the specific water supply.
Okay.
Hindi po yung, etong membrane to, okay sa ito, pak, yun na yun. Hindi po. And with doing that, sir, mas napapatagal namin yung lifespan ng system namin. Mas nabibigyan ko kayo ng quality ng water.
So it's on the filter, on the types of filter that...
On the types of the filter and on the types of the element that we use and depending on the water source na gamit nyo.
Okay.
We do testing kami po mismo.
Okay.
Kasi kahit meron kayong water analysis na binigay sa akin, sir, hindi kami magbe-base dyan.
Yeah.
Kasi posibleng hindi yan yung aparato na gamit namin na pang-test.
Yeah.
We have a different testing facilities, pero hindi namin ni-registered for internal use lang. Kasi hindi namin kinomercialize to. Kumbaga yung services na yon, it's exclusive for our only clients, not for all. Gusto ko, yung client ko may advantage. Yung science behind it, yun ang hindi namin na ituturo sa lahat. Kasi there's always a trademark for that.